Welcome to Pete's Knowledge Corner. Today in this video I'm going to share about COVID-19, that is coronavirus disease 2019. So what is coronavirus disease? Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus, that is coronavirus, you all know. And you all know that this virus seems to be very dangerous and the whole world is coming together to fight coronavirus. Countries have been put into lockdown, schools closed, events cancelled, factories shuttered, millions told to work from home, etc. etc. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. But older people and those who with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. On its average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. The common symptoms are fever, cough, shortness of breath or breathing difficulty, and at this time there is no specific vaccine or treatment for COVID-19, but it can be managed symptomatically. So don't panic as we don't have any specific vaccine or treatment now, but we can prevent the spread of coronavirus because prevention is better than cure instead of experiencing bitter. So here I'm gonna share few tips to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So first, hand washing. This hand washing remains the number one tip for preventing the spread of coronavirus. It's common sense and it works also. However, it must be done properly with soap and water. And because washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rub kills the viruses that may be on your hands. And proper hand washing not only reduces the spread of coronavirus, it can also prevent the spread of other viral illness such as cold and flu, etc. And the second step is wear mask. For the first time, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention has recommended that even the healthy people to wear mask over their mouth and nose when they go out of their homes into places where it is difficult to maintain distance from other people. And the next tip is about respiratory hygiene. So make sure that you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. That means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately and wash your hands because that may also spread the viruses. As you all know, the droplets spread virus. So by following this good respiratory hygiene, you can protect the people around you from virus. And next, clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. And the next is social distancing. Maintain at least 1 meter, that is 3 feet distance between yourself and others because when someone coughs, sneezes or speaks, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth which may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus, that is coronavirus, if the person has the disease. And the next is avoid spitting in public places. And you know this is very common in India, but according to the experts, they say that the spit can also be dangerous to the public health since this COVID-19 spreads through droplets. And the next tip is avoid going to crowded places because where people come together in crowds, we are more likely to come into close contact with someone that has coronavirus infection, and it's more difficult to maintain physical distance of 1 meter, that is 3 feet. So always it's better to avoid going to the crowded places. And the next step is avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth because hands touch many surfaces and can pick up the viruses. Once the hands gets contaminated, it can also transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. And from there the virus can enter your body and infect you. The next step is safe greetings. You all know that this virus spreads from person to person, so you can adapt some safe replacements to the usual handshake, hugs when it happens to meet others. Next, boost your immune and eat healthy. The food what you eat also has an important role in determining your overall health and immunity, so eat healthy foods. And then stay home and self-isolate if you have minor symptoms such as cough, headache, mild fever until you recover. And during that time, if someone brings you supplies or if you need to leave your house, wear a mask to avoid infecting others. And the next preventive step is, if you have fever, cough or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention, but call by telephone in advance if possible, and follow the directions of your local health authority because national and local authorities will be having the up-to-date information on the situation in your area. So calling in advance will be helping your healthcare provider to reach you quickly, or they can also direct you to the right health facility. This will also protect you and also help prevent spread of virus. And the next thing is spread the awareness as much as possible to everyone, and follow these preventive tips. Hope you all understand. Follow these preventive measures, beat the pandemic corona and say goodbye to corona.